Hi, very good morning. My name is Arijit and I'm working as an app DBA for the last 6 years. I'm planning to create this course known as Pocket Application DBA, which will be helpful to students who are already trained in app DBA or to the employees who want to revise the subject. So let's discuss about the topics covered in this tutorial. This tutorial starts with the Oracle e-Business Suite overview. It includes what is an ERP, why we move to ERP, and what are the advantages of an ERP. The second tutorial includes about the Oracle application architecture. We all know that it's a three-tier architecture that includes the client server, the web browser, the client server that includes the web browser, the game initiator, then the application architecture, and the database architecture. After this, we are moving on to the file system of an Oracle application suite, e-business suite of level 9. That includes the details of an Apple top, the common top, the DB file system, 806 Oracle Home, IS Oracle Home. The next tutorial that includes the ways or the methods of managing Oracle application. It includes the process of starting up an application tier by AD start all and stop all, and also at the same time taking the status of it from the front end. After that, it's followed by the AD admin utilities that include the AD CTRL, AD spice, autoconfig, etc. The sixth chapter is of patching, which is my favorite, and includes what is a patch and what are the types of patch, what are the modes of applying, what are the modes of patches, the way to apply a patch, the options a patch gives when we apply a patch, and what are the pre-read checks that needs to be done and the post checks that needs to be done after applying a patch. Interestingly, it also contains the merging of patches as well as the troubleshooting scenarios of patching. This includes whatever the issues that we face and the steps taken by us to resolve the problem or the issue. The seventh chapter is the cloning. What's the clone, what are the post steps, and the reasons of cloning and the issues we face in cloning. Then, the FNTC pass, the utility that is used to change the password of app's password. The ninth chapter includes a sysadmin module, which includes the ways to define a concurrent manager, the ways to manage the concurrent manager, and the different phases and stages. What does it mean? The issues that we get of concurrent manager and the way we approach and troubleshoot it. It also includes the creation of user responsibility data group. This is one of the important topics because on day-to-day basis we get queries or emails that says the user's password is locked, we need to create any user, the user's end date is off, end date is done. So at that point of time we need to do this proper navigation, go to that particular place and make sure why exactly the user is not able to log in, or indeed if you need to create a responsibility for the user or remove the end date, etc. etc. So this tutorial will include all the activities that is related to sysadmin. The number 10 chapter would be the R12, that includes the file system, the architecture, and the features. So this tutorial is overall. It includes all the basic topics of an Oracle application DBA modules. But please note that the suggestions and the constraints are taken from Jajit Muganaji's PDF, and few suggestions have also been taken from internet. Please note that before you proceed to perform any of the activity on your instance, whatever it might be, test, dev, or prod, please consult your expert about it, and this is only for educational purpose. That's it about my tutorial, Oracle Application Pocket Architecture. Hope you will enjoy reading this tutorial. That's it. Take care. Bye-bye.